Hello there. Hope everyone is doing well. Coming here from sunny Los Angeles, and I'll take you to a toy hunt at frank&Sons. Unbox a few figures that came in from the mail. I'm not gonna do a full review, just a quick critique and rundown. Launch my first offering available in my Etsy store. I'll put the links in the description below. And let's get on with the video. We're here at frank&Sons for the gazillionth time. I'm with Mercer and my brother Robert the Brick. This is a toy hunt and not a frank&Sons store. I hardly find them at Target or Walmart, so I don't pay the retail price. Tons of anime merchandise, from stickers to statues and displays, sports memorabilia, trading cards, hundreds and hundreds of loose figures, from NECA to Marvel Legends to Halo, Spawn, all sorts. Build-A-Figure, Marvel Legends, Dark Helmet Collectibles. I'll put the link into the description area. Oh, Delta 38. 3D printed heads that fits Marvel Legends, Classified, Action Force, QR code you can scan. Big Head Studios. G.I. Joe Classified Weapons, Viper, Monkey Wrench. Oh, holy cow, look at that. Action Force dealer. The only dealer here in frank&Sons. 1/18 scale Joy Toy. Mythic Legions. $900 Razor Crest HasLab. You'd find all the Star Wars Black Series. And 3.75 figures. Iron Man helmet, lots of Star Wars Black Series helmets. And that concludes my toy hunt. These two are my pickups from frank&Sons. As you see, the sticker price for Stormshadow is $40, for the bat is $30.
It's time for Macros Reviews! Attack!
And here's Stormshadow along with Cobra Ninjas and G.I. Joe Ninja figures, along with Marvel Shang-Chi and Articulated Icon. Okay, let's take a look at Stormshadow. Off the bat, I notice he no longer have joint pins. Finally, Classified catching up with the current figure production technology. I know, they do that on some Marvel Legends figures. See what healthy competition brings? Action Force coming out with better designs. and the big corporation follow suit. He's armed with a compound bow, very nicely sculpted, red paint apps on the grip. His back quiver with sword sheaths pegged through the hole. Very nice detail on the I Ching Arashikage symbol. 2 ninja toe. Nicely sculpted. Snake head on the hilt. Short ninja toe with the same snake head hilt. And I noticed when you put in the swords, there's a hole on the sheath. When you put it in the wrong position, the blade kind of sticks out, so just be mindful of how you put it in correctly. That's that. His belt is a separate piece, molded with a rubbery material. This knotted end of the belt came in the box, and you could plug it into the peg. You got the strap, a removable folded hood. You can remove it and use the included accessory hood for that hooded look. Very nice crisp detail on the Cobra insignia. It has missing paint on the ninja star, easily fixed with a retouch of silver paint. Everything's nicely detailed. This arm wraps, leg wraps, a different color gray, black colored sole for his ninja tabby. I'm not liking his forearm proportions. It looks like it's becoming too big like Popeye, and it looks like he's wearing cold weather mittens. Very evident on some of the figures like Croc Master, Sergeant Slaughter, Gung Ho. Compare it with Articulated Icon's replaceable hands. Maybe I should have waited for the retro Stormshadow. That sculpt's nicely done. They've got the white color correct this time, not like the milky white movie Stormshadow. And that concludes my review. And just arrived, package from Big Bad Toy Store. Let's open it up. It's the Croc Master.
Yay!
Let's see what's in the other box. Cobra Officer.
Hey!
Let's get the Cobra Officer out of the package. And let's unbox Croc Master. I've heard from The Amazing's review that Fiona is an alligator, but he looks like a crocodile to me. I thought alligators would have a rounded snout. His legs are from Destro, minus the boots, and because of the design of his feet, doesn't seem to stand very well. Don't know why Hasbro can include a stand with their figures. These bigger bodied classified figures like Gung Ho, Roadblock, their butterfly articulation is poorly done. It's useless. Very nice head sculpt. The hose is removable with the oxygen tank. I would have liked it if they mounted it on his belt or on the front so you could use a backpack. I have no complaints with Fiona. Her articulation's pretty well done. Her tail is a bendy with a wire inside. Collar and chain is pretty meh. I'm sure that's the first thing Customizer would replace with real chains. I would have liked the whip to be casted straight instead of wrapped or bunched up like this. His primary weapon is the KAPPA Rhino 60DS 357 Magnum revolver. Bigger figures like Gung Ho, Sergeant Slaughter, Croc Master, they tend to have kind of like a Popeye big forearm that looks pretty cartoonish. I'm not liking the proportions at all. I do like the baby crocodiles, one green and one albino. Knife's very rubbery. I had a hard time inserting it into the knife sheath. And that's Croc Master for you. Really quick, want to give a shout out to friends of the channel, Fuller's Figures and the Kaptains Korner. Please check them out. Subscribe to their channel. Links I'll put down below. Also, I'm asking you to please like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much. I appreciate all your support. Custom figure time. Slice, the other half of Slice and Dice. His base body is the Marvel Legends Ninja hand. I got a third-party head sculpt I painted. Painted the dots on his outfit. The blacks. I made from polymer putty his gauntlet, his shin guards and knees. I also made his butterfly knife using Sintra. I gave him a Marvel Legends Chinese sword from Shang-Chi's Mandarin, I think. I also gave him a third-party katana. And this is the scabbard. I glued elastic strings so he could slung it on his back. Added thread on his bicep and elastic belt. And that's the breakdown for Slice. Next is Jinx, another member of the Arashikage clan. Her head sculpt is Elektra movie Marvel Legends figure. Her base body is Lady Deadpool. Repainted it. I sculpted her shoulder pads using polymer putty. Also the knee pads. And the arm pads here. And the glove. Added cloth belt. And pouches, I believe, from Lady Deadpool. Can't remember. Her cloth blindfold is removable. The actress who played Elektra from the Daredevil Netflix series and Jinx from the G.I. Joe Retaliation movie is the same actress, Elodie Yung. Comparing Jinx's height from Stormshadow and movie Snake Eyes. And that concludes my breakdown for Jinx. Cobra Officer, here we go. Let's start with the submachine gun. Holy moly, Batman! AK pistol with the Sten gun type magazine. You outdid yourself from the Flint shotgun. Arm, elbow, legs, knees still have the pins. Nicely sculpted uniform only to be let down by unpainted pegs. Obsolete 1980s web gear. Ugly holster that has the barrel sticking out from it. Holsters are designed to protect the barrel of the gun and the trigger area. Nicely sculpted Star Wars weapon that looks like a cross between a Luke Skywalker's pistol and a German 9mm Luger. Cool armband. Please tell me his rank is for a commissioned officer. His knife has good details, but I don't like the arrow-shaped tip. Very weird design. On his back is a spare magazine, and you have another one that's intended for the rifle. Why do you put his spare on his back? Should be located on his front for ease of mag change. And the submachine gun should have another magazine. On his back is a rifle scabbard that holds the main rifle. Nobody carries rifles like this. A holster is for a pistol, a sling is for a rifle. This rifle scabbard is going directly to the trash can, including all his weapons. What a terrible looking AK. Flashlight that you could remove from the pouch and plug into the AK wannabe rifle. With this 1980s obsolete gear, he's not ready for battle. Nicely sculpted Cobra insignia. Head sculpt's very good. Darker flesh tone. Excellent paint apps. His helmet has a similar shape as the Cobra infantry. Different details including the rank. His weapons and accessories. His 10-gun AK pistol, rifle scabbard, spare mag on his back instead of on the front, open-barreled holster, obsolete H-harness, lack of personal armor protection, makes the Cobra Officer the blunt tip of the spear and is not good to go for modern combat. Last week, we released the new KAPPA 2-man canoe. It measures 17 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and about 2 inches in height, 11.65 ounces in weight. It's made of high-impact resin and is not 3D printed, so it does not have the ugly unfinished print lines. Available for order at Albatross Customs Etsy store. Check the links in the description. Stay tuned and don't miss the next video. We are gonna give away one KAPPA canoe and Albatross Customs merch like t-shirts and coffee mug. See you then, 12 Scale Army.
Thank you for watching, and for all who recently subscribed to the channel, thank you for your support. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Till next time, peace.